This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connection state. Charge both AirPods and the case above 50%, then forget the AirPods on your iPhone to clear pairing data. Once done, keep the lid open and both buds seated. This prevents intermittent contacts that block the reset. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled off and on your phone to clear caches. Now locate the small setup button on the back of the case. You'll use it in the next step to force a full hardware reset. You now perform the forced hardware reset. Press and hold the setup button on the case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. This clears firmware handshake states. After the white flash, release the button and close the lid for 30 seconds so internal components reinitialize. Reopen the case with the AirPods inside and bring it near your iPhone. The proximity pairing screen should appear. If it doesn't, make sure the case light behavior match the sequence you expected and repeat the hold. You finish by completing the on-screen pairing process and testing audio, microphone, and noise control features. This confirms the reset addressed both pairing and functionality. If pairing still fails, reset your phone's network settings to clear stubborn Bluetooth profiles, but note this removes saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. As a key troubleshooting tip, if resets and network clears don't work, erratic LED patterns, or repeated failures,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.